Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're going to be installing these LED lights from Auxito, and they're going to be going on the TrailBlazer. So these are what we got for them, 9005 HB3. So these are the same brand of bulbs that we put on the Toyota pickup for the reverse lights, and they're really bright. So we're going to throw some on the TrailBlazer. Comes with a couple of zip ties, some O-rings for fitment, the Allen wrench, the instructions, and 2 light bulbs. So these are really nice quality. Comes with the fan. So the Allen wrench is to get to that little set screw right there, just in case the bulb is a little tilted to the side. You just loosen it up and rotate it, and then the O-rings, you put them on here for the fitment depending on the headlights that you have. And it comes with this. I don't know what this is. These are the plugs. So let's go over to the TrailBlazer and remove the headlight so we can install these. So for this grill, we're just gonna use this plastic thing that we got for the wrapping kit. Just basically anything you could get behind this, because there's some clips that clip onto the headlight. So let's see if I can get behind here real quick. Let me try to get behind here with 2 hands, and then I'll put you guys back on. Alright, so I got the grill off, and we used 2 of these to get back here. So we used one to jam in between the grill and the headlight, and then the second one to like pry it off. And then once those are released, there's 2 up here, 2 up here, 2 right here. So then there's just this one left and this one. So you're able to get back here and just like pry it off with your hand. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the headlight. So it has this release right here, and then it has another one back here. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So let me get a screwdriver so I can get back there, and then the whole headlight should come off. Okay, so we were able to use this prying tool to get the clips off from like the door panels. We used that to get that last clip back here, and then right away you have to unclip this light right here in the corner, and then the other 2 back here. So we're gonna cut this zip tie and pull this bulb out and see if we can fit the other one in the same position. I'm gonna give you a quick little side-by-side. This is the one that we had on there, and it looks like a much bigger light bulb, but I think just this little cap is what's making it bigger. But the quality on these are way nicer. You could tell these are like super light. They feel really cheap. You feel like they're like really nice quality. The only thing is that we test fitted the light straight out the box, and with this O-ring it fits really loose. So in the little bag that they give you a bigger O-ring, so we went straight to the thick one, which is on here. See the black one? Now we could throw it on here, and it fits nice and snug. And then this plug just goes straight into this. And we could zip tie this to the side or something. Let me figure out a way to put this nicely in here. And then it'll be nice if they had some double-sided tape right here, just to like, if I find some right now, I'll put some on there. Just make it look really nice right there. So let me go ahead and fix this wiring, and then we'll put the headlight back on, and I'll show you guys the difference with the truck on, so you guys can see how these perform next to the other bulb that we had on there. For the time being, I was able to just jam in that little box in here, and it stays in there for now. When we get some double-sided tape, we'll just stick it onto this part right here on the side or something. So it's way brighter than this side. I don't know if you guys could tell, but even on this car, see the light right there? You kind of see the light. And then on this side, you can see how bright it is. It's not even dark out yet. You can see the difference right here. See how this is brighter? This one's really low. So I'm gonna show you guys again once it gets dark out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this side so I can finish installing both bulbs. We'll throw it back on, and then I'll show you once it gets really dark. All right, so real quick, on the passenger side, the bulb is not actually facing the way it should. I'll show you guys real quick. don't know if you guys can see it, but see how it's basically horizontal, so we have to put it vertical. So that's where we're gonna pull this bulb out and mess with that set screw. So basically we have to put it completely vertical on this and then reinsert it and make sure it's facing straight up. Okay, so I was actually wrong. I already threw on the headlight, so I'm not gonna pull it back out, but I'm gonna explain to you on this old bulb that when you loosen the set screw, you basically, the bulb doesn't rotate. What rotates is the little ring that locks into place. So the bulb could stay like this, and then this would spin. So you rotate it as much as you need, and then you tighten the set screw and you set it in there, as long as the actual bulb is vertical. Now let me put the grill back on, and then I'll show you guys how bright they are. Big difference, huge difference from these to the lights that I had before. So now we're going to hopefully order the fog lights, so those could be bright as well. Let me turn them on for you just so you guys can see what it looks like. So hopefully we replace those with some of these bulbs. I think it'll make a huge difference. So that's up next. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Auxito_Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you in the next one.